tools, obviously, to analyze big data is key here. I mean, big data, by definition, is so large that usually one computer or one machine just simply can't handle it. So I think a good place to start is to kind of talk about what learnings you can get out of big data and then what tools are accessible. So I'll kind of just kick it off, and I'll mention two that I love. Specifically, maybe you've seen it, Google Trends. You can go to Google Trends and anybody can access this, and you can just type in anything in the world, any keyword that you want, and Google will tell you predictively ahead of time if that trend is going to go up or down, if that search query is going to get more interested or less. And then, in the same vein of just web, there's a site called Majestic that you can type in any website, and they actually crawl the whole internet and show you every single other website that links to that page. So you can literally find the people that talked about you that you never would have guessed. So obviously you can't possibly crawl the whole internet on your own computer, so these tools are really important. But you mentioned, Accenture provides tools for analytics and analyzing this big data, so you want to talk more about kind of what learnings we can get, and we'll go to these guys after.
Yeah, sure. So many companies, we're in many of the big companies, and they sort of go through the phases when they start collecting the data. So first you collect the data, and when you have this data, you look at, well, what happened? What happened? Okay, sales were down yesterday, and so you learn. So it's more traditional reporting stuff. When you move up to the next level, it becomes more real time. So now you start collecting information, and you can say what is happening, right now. So you can make some actual take action on that. Maybe some sales are going down. So what happens in some of the retail stores, you figure out that maybe the product placement is different than from store B where the thing is selling very well. So you call the store manager and say, move your product, put it in a different placement. So that's the next level. And the third level becomes then into predictive analytics, and that's the big thing right now. Try to predict what will happen. An example of that was one of our customers, Wal-Mart, when a hurricane, this was a few years ago, was approaching Florida. They actually cornered the market on American flags. They figured American flags and Pop-Tarts, because they figured out when a hurricane comes in and people start stocking up, they want to buy Pop-Tarts because those can last a long time. And American flags, for whatever reason, they did the analytics. And when K-Mart, who are also a user, but they're not as advanced, realized the same thing, there was no more American flags to be bought. Wal-Mart had cornered the market. So they got a big advantage on this type of predictive analytics.
Yeah, so at that scale, analyzing trends to literally move your business and get better business intelligence is key.